Guys, alright, so I am heading to Chicago today, hence all the flight gear, and I'm actually going to be going with Butterball Turkey. So they have invited me on this special trip. We are going to be talking turkey. I'm surrounded by a bunch of really fun creators in different capacities in the food and lifestyle world, which you'll meet. So we will talk turkey eventually. So a big thanks to Butterball for teaming up and sponsoring this vlog today. But first we shall adventure and see Chicago and do fun things. So let's go, guys. We're doing this together. This is a kid-free, grown-up trip to Chicago, a place I've never been. Woo! So here we are downtown, and we're gonna be going on a boat cruise. I'm really excited. It's an architectural boat cruise, and I get to see the city, because quite frankly, I mean, just look around, guys. I'm only here for like 24 hours. So of course, the lady boarding the boat had us standing in the wrong spot. So we're hauling it to get, which way? This way? Got into my hotel room. Want the quick tour? I'll give you the quick tour. Door, closet, bathroom, TV, desk, window, chair, and bed. Guys, that was a day. That was an adventure day. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go get ready for bed, have a quick shower. Why do I say quick shower? I'm gonna have a long shower. I'm gonna stand there in the heat till I physically can't take any more hot water, and then I'm gonna get out. I'm stuffed to the brim. It's so much fun. So much chatting. Yeah, it's full on. That was a full day. Okay, I had the hot shower and now I'm exhausted. Can't keep my eyes open, guys. I think I was telling you at the top of this video that this trip, I'm coming out here with Butterball, and tomorrow we go to Turkey University, and I'm kind of excited. They're going to be going through all sorts of things like turkey do's and don'ts, how to carve a turkey, all the different ways you could cook a turkey. And the truth is, I've only ever cooked one turkey, I think, so at least I have that under my belt. Anyway, this girl needs sleep. I'm exhausted, so let's talk more in the morning, okay? Okay, good night. Of getting ready, and what I did is just touch up my waves for my hair. I'm gonna throw in some quick makeup and then I'm done. So the final step in the hair process is to just, with your fingers, just kind of mess up the curls that you... I'm not wearing earrings, I don't feel like it. I have them, I just don't care. Okay, I'll show you my outfit. I'm wearing an Aritzia, I think it says Wilfred, little crop top. I love these. These are some cropped kind of wide leg pants. They're Topshop. Then these are my Van shoes. And to finish the look, I'll just show you. I have this little blazer from H&M. And here we go. I'm fun, I'm hip, I'm ready for turkey. Let's do it. Okay, breakfast time. We're cooking a turkey. I have got the covered roasting pan method. This should be very fun.
them, well, if you just open it up, if wherever that butterball sign was, that's where the breast of the turkey is. So this is basically the top of the turkey.
Okay, so turkey's prepared. Mine is in the fridge. There's like, whew, hello, turkeys. So many things happening. We're gonna be cooking them here.
You want 170, 180, and 165 in the stuff.
Perfect. So midway through the day, the cookies are turking. What? The cookies are turking. The turkeys are cooking, and all you can smell is this wafting, beautiful turkey smell. And now we have some lunch, so I won't get too hungry.
Oh gosh, you guys look cute.
One, unveil your turkey.
Open,
Unstuffed.
unstuffed.
Yeah, between these two, that's the only
This is, okay, so the difference, unstuffed, stuffed. Then this one was,
convection.
oh, convection. That looks real good. So what I've learned from all of this is we're gonna use the convection feature on the oven because it's like all the wind is blowing around and it cooks the turkey beautifully, get this crispy skin. But it's very interesting to see all the different types of turkeys. So comment below and tell me how you cook your turkey. I'm very curious because I know it's dependent on what kind of, you know, tools you have in your kitchen, what's available to you. But that convection one, you guys, we did it! Yay! Okay, we've had a slight change to plans. So I did check out of a hotel this morning. I attended the fun Turkey University, and now I'm staying another night in Chicago. Here's the thing. When you marry a pilot, they tend to check things like the weather. And he was like, it's going to be a bit crap. And he goes, you know, he's home tomorrow. Kids don't have school. Everything's cool. And he's like, why don't you just stay an extra night? Now, is the weather bad enough that they're going to cancel the flight? No. It's a little stormy, it's a little rainy, and it's a tiny, tiny plane. Mom vacation, woo! Okay, so here's the plan. It's 6:15. I'm just starting to get hungry again because I feel like I've just been eating all the time. We ate like turkey today, so I've got like this turkey belly, but it's just starting to wear off. So I'm gonna make a decision. I think it's gonna be Shake Shack because I'm just feeling like I've never been to a Shake Shack and that could be really fun. We're staying near Millennium Park, which means tomorrow morning we're gonna get up early and we're gonna do like a little tour. Well, as I was laying here relaxing, just playing on Instagram or whatever the heck I was doing, the group that I was traveling with messaged me and the flight was canceled. The weather was horrendous, like real bad. Flight canceled bad, you know? So thank goodness Dean had, you know, thank goodness I listened to him because sometimes I don't. But when it comes to flying and weather, I'm like, I listen to everything that man says. What I will say though is I had some fun tonight. I'm gonna share a few clips. I went to Shake Shack. It was delicious. I had a burger, I had a 50-50, and I had some cheesy fries. Cheesy fries, take it or leave it. I'm a fry connoisseur. Those were not the best fries I ever had. Sorry, Shake Shack, but like, I'm from Quebec. Hello, boots in. Anyway, but it was delish. And then, as I was standing outside waiting for my Uber, I looked at this sign and I was like, oh my God, Cindy's is right here. So I went up to Cindy's, I canceled my Uber, went up to Cindy's, and apparently it's a really great spot to have a drink and look out, like I get a big lookout at the city. However, it was super packed and I was by myself and I was like, where am I gonna sit? Scrap that. I was talking to the host and we were chatting and I was telling him about my delay, this and that, because I'm freaking chatty Cathy. And he goes, well, go downstairs. There's a game room and there's like another area you can sit and have a drink and it's a little quieter than up here, but it's still really nice. So I did. I listened to his advice and I have rum and Coke. And here's the footage from that. I don't know if you can see anything, but you kind of get the idea. Jazzy music, delicious rum and Coke. And then I came back to the room and now I'm showered and jammied up and ready for a movie or something. I don't know. What are you supposed to do with yourself when you have all this free time? What did I do with myself when I had all sorts of free time? I'm ready to go. The day looks reasonable. Looks kind of wet out there. I don't know if it's still raining. Probably is. I'm not terribly hungry, so I'm gonna pause on breakfast and just like get going and maybe grab a snack at a little coffee shop or something. And I need to be back here in 2 hours and 45 minutes, which I think is plenty. So let's go doing a little adventure, you know? Ta-da! We made it to the bean, guys. Look at that. She's a beaut. Let me show you. Plus I'm sweating to the oldies in my plastic jacket here. Americano, space for cream. We're gonna walk in this direction. I'm pretty sure the fountain is over here, so we'll see if we can see it. It was raining so much before that I wasn't really into like stopping. And then I found a Target. Did I mean to buy so much stuff at Target? Of course not. But so cute. I actually had a couple comments on my Instagram from people going like, sometimes when they're in new places, their anxiety can take over and they don't want to leave the hotel and stuff. And I just say, honestly, push through. Yes, there are some dangerous parts of the world, and there's also dangerous parts of every single city, but just be smart about it. Travel with some education, look into things, and just do it, man. Because you only got like this one life that you get to live. So seize that damn adventure. Catch my drift? I mean, this is just...